From DailyForex, this is Chris taking a look at the dollar Indian rupee and the dollar Mexican peso. The Indian rupee has been strengthening against the dollar over the last couple of days, but you can probably see what I see here, and that is the potential for a bounce. If we can break above the highs of the day for the session here on Thursday, I think we go looking towards 76.5 and then eventually 77. 50-day EMA at 75.50 will be an interesting area to potentially buy as well. So over here in the dollar MEX, you can see that the peso continues to strengthen. We're now at the 200-day EMA, and that probably will attract a certain amount of attention. We'll have to wait and see how that plays out. But if we break down below here, 20.25 would be my next target. If we bounce and take out the 50-day EMA, we may go looking towards 20.75 and then 21 pesos.